There might be a guy. I see one. He's right below me. I'm gonna drop on him like an assassin. Oh, no, I won't.
He's dropping really fast. He's going over here.
Yeah, he's going over there. That's fine. No, he's on me.
He's fighting. As you.
Literally on me. Hello?
This side.
I just turned on him. He's down.
I think there's two, maybe one more.
Smack that kid, bro. Broken. Down. 1, 2. Get out my house, dog!
He be talking very
We have enough for a UAV. We have enough for a UAV. We have enough for a UAV. Oh, fuck. Right on me.
Wait.
Literally on me.
Dead.
I'm here.
Drop my money at the buy. Drop my money at the buy.
Yeah, it's a Joey.
I got one dead. Right below you. Yep. I freaking let him know what's what, bro. One shot on one of them. He's practically Eminem, bro. Broken armor. One shot on this kid right here.
Locating. Frag out.
I threw a frag. Kobe. I missed it. I'm gonna stun him. I didn't stun him. I missed. That guy's still there on gold ping.
SMG located.
Under me?
Broken down. Dead.
Guys, kid is broken.
He's dead. He's just sitting in the corner, bro.
Oh yeah, take my plate. And my sub. No.
Right above me. There's two? There's two. One's ghosted, I think. Coming to you, Hoss. I'm on you. You can hear me running. I'm just gonna make a bunch of noise. Watch for the approach. There's no one else. Yeah, AK-74U. 40 round drum mag. What the frick is this? There. I thought I heard two footsteps. Two sets. I thought I heard. Maybe not. All right. We have enough almost for a UAV. Did you not? Oh wait, you didn't see all of them? No, don't buy. There's tons of plates over by the buy.
Broke him again.
Oh shit.
He's right here. He's right here at gold.
He's down. He is down.
Broken. Down. Trying to get a full. Try to get a full on that gold ping, please. Another guy sitting in the. He's sitting in the lean-to or the gold ping. Nice. Team wipe. Oh my gosh. I didn't even know what to call it.
Oh, who just shot at us?
I mean, he'd get a lot more kills than me, but still.
People on second
Oh,
story
sniper.
Where's that? Where? Sniper. Where's that?
I can't right now.
He's up on blue. Second floor blue. Second floor
And
blue.
very top blue. And very top.
Second floor hurt.
And Bertha behind.
Top hurt.
And Bertha.
I'm going towards Bertha. I'm pushing back towards Bertha.
Oh, I got sniped in that. In the back of the head. That's what I get.
Yep.
That's what I get.
By Lee Harvey Oswald. That's kind of ironic.
Could have just kept going.
There's a vehicle on me. It's running away. It's got their loadie and they just ran. We have enough. I have enough to buy you back. Check out if there's any way, shape, or form you can get to me. That would be fantastic.
Armor's over here.
Oh, there's a sniper right here. Oh, goodness. I just destroyed him. Toto Nation, you just came in to watch me absolutely obliterate this kid from the existence of the earth. You would do that.
No way.
Did he snipe you or did you splat?
Yeah, he sniped me. No way.
What a shot. Okay, well.
The moment I grabbed my stuff and I looked there too and I didn't see him. You're a camping little...
Yeah, no, they're just chilling there, huh? I don't see one at all. I see, oh, right here, close cubby. Close cubby is broke. Oh, far cubby as well, bro. Oh my gosh, they're all on that floor. Same floor, all on the same floor. All on the same floor, bro.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Kid is broken.
One's
he pushing
climbing.
that
Yeah,
zone?
one's climbing. Got one dead, bro. Yo! One, or not one, he's just hurt. Very hurt. He's trying to full kill. Don't let him do it. He's right here. Right below. Right below. Below. Bro. Okay. Nice.
Comms.
Teammates were sent to the gulag. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy.
Don't stay by me.
Outside.
Never say that.
Right here on me.
He's back, he's back, he's back.
Dead. Oh, he really went for that full thirst, huh?
Right there, yeah. Check out if you can help him. Right by the silos. Right by here.
Moving out.
I just gotta grab my shit.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Wait, what the frick?
Let's go. You don't need
No,
help.
no, they're not dead. They're not dead. That's not the kid at the silo. I don't know where that kid's at. Someone else flew in. I don't know where the kid at silo went, bro. He's in that back. Hey, or he's not. He's gotta be, bro.
Be advised,
survive, I got you.
bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Yo, let's go. Mac 10 still beams, I see. Oh, it does.
Okay.
It does.
Oh, it does.
Did you get the satchel over by the loadout right there?
There's one right there. There's a Sasha right there inside that room.
Yeah, there is there. I'm just asking you.
Oh,
When you
I
landed
didn't have
in.
anything. No, I already had one.
Oh, okay. Never mind. Nice.
That team came back with stuff right there.
Right cubby. Right hole. Right there. I hurt. They have to move into us. Let's just push back. Arc, we... Huh? Bro, dead. Bye, Splash. Your freaking plates, bro.
I'm taking way too many open sights. It's not here.
Yeah, that's why I'm looking.
They can't get up, those guys.
Inbound.
I'm looking over here for people
What?
just creeping
They
in, bro.
They can't get up? What?
They need life alert?
Everyone that's down there is stuck down there.
No, there's a way to get up
No,
now. They made a way to get up.
Yeah. Did they?
Yeah, they did. Okay, so those kids right here, I'm beaming.
Then I'm rotating.
I got the guy on the left broken almost. Yeah, just try not to overpeak them. I just wanted to put shots just in case I could kill them.
I think
Oh,
they
they
are
made
stuck.
another roadway?
No, they're right here, running up the hill, right there.
Mark the target.
Hurt. Broken. Easy. He came from the left. Right in front of you, Art.
Ark, don't push too far ahead.
Gas is moving.
Right here underneath me.
Fucking move on me.
Oh, how are you not down?
Here.
I think that's it.
Safe
Behind
Oh.
us was like, oh, you peeked too much.
Oh no, I downed one. Telling me I peeked too much while you're 100 meters away.
Hey, I'm not there, bro. See, I think
I got
they're
one.
dead.
I got one. Okay, to our left.
We'll pull through.
They're
Oh, he
dead.
came up.
Nice, good win. Let's go.
It turned on, kid.
Easy
there is a way
peasy,
up
bro. Yeah, there is a way up. I told you, man.
Did it make a way up?
Because people kept losing to that zone too often. He's crossing the road. Broken armor. Down. The guy crossing the road in the middle of the road. Crown. Nice. Thank you.
Most wanted target neutralized. Well done.
Top of the building. Shooting me.
Yep.
Don't know where though.
He's gonna have to jump.
Zach,
too,
there's
so-
one running over.
Thank you.
Target eliminated. Bend them up.
Get turned on, kid. Holy buckets.
Get to the safe zone.
Tempting too.
Guy's right on my level. I see him. He's like right here. Broken armor, down.
This is what I needed!
This is insane.
To you already.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB
Sniper right
for
here.
resupply. Marking reservoir.
I'm moving over left till I see where the zone's going. I mean, we could try to run underneath them. That's kind
Let's go, let's go.
of what we got to do right now while
they're
they're.
watching you, Andre.
8.
I have 0. Come on now. I have just as many kills as this guy. Oh, we have loading, or we have zone. We have zone. Make sure we check our left. There could be guys still chilling right over here.
Yeah, I'm looking, but I don't see it.
Those guys don't have to get down from there. This is a bad spot. You know what? Heck it. I'm crossing. F this. Nice. Good ping. Who just got that? He's broken armor. He's dead. Hit it. Right up on top. Right up on top. Oh, he's down.
Downed him.
Good shots. I think they all jumped on that backside. Let's go! Oh my gosh, baby! Ooh, that's the game I needed.
Get the boys together. We just
Yo, chat, come on now. That was actually nasty. That was honestly nasty.